Don't move! Don't move!
On May 25, 2021, a burglary occurred at a residence in San Jose. The suspect threw a brick through a window located at the rear of the residence, then entered through the window.
One Victor 4. The suspect was described as a 5'5" Hispanic male with balding hair.
Hispanic male, 5'5", balding.
I'm going to need 4 more officers. Can you have them 87 at the 7th and Washington?
Okay. This is the San Jose Police Department K-9 unit. Anyone hiding inside the church, come out with your hands up, unarmed, and follow our directions. If you do not surrender, a police dog will be used to search for you. When the dog finds you, he may bite you. Este es el departamento de policía de San José. Si hay alguien de la iglesia, salga con sus manos arriba, sin armas, o el perro lo va a morder. Contact.
This door right here.
Contact. Left room.
Okay. Opening right there.
Moving. Surrender now! See it? Hey! Surrender now! You guys ready?
Yeah.
The body and you can't.
Yeah, my hands.
Don't move, don't move. Now come up on the right. Don't move. Get that arm, Mel.
Somebody get.
Yep, I got the other one.
Left's on.
Okay, stand by.
Hey, going right. Going right. Going right. Dog out. Dog out. Dog out. Dog out.